Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making healthy cupcakes. So if you know you want to eat healthier but you still love your sweets, this video is for you. This recipe makes rich, moist cupcakes that are easy to make and require no mixer. So let's just get right to it. So as usual, the measurements are in the comment section down below. So we'll start with our dry ingredients. I put my whole wheat flour in a bowl, baking powder, I add my baking soda, my nutmeg and my cinnamon, and don't forget your salt. I don't know, I'm always forgetting my salt, but do not forget your salt. Your salt is very important and very crucial to this recipe. So we mix it all together. It's time for the wet ingredients. In another bowl, I'm going to mash a banana using a fork. Because bananas vary in size, I'm going to give the weight of the banana in the comment section down below, so watch out for it. Now it's time to mix it all together. We are going to be adding our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Add the mashed banana, date paste, which is our sugar substitute, vanilla flavor, and finally buttermilk. You can substitute with yogurt if you do not have one. Use your spoon to mix thoroughly until everything is well incorporated. Line your cupcake pan with cupcake liners and scoop the batter into the pan. Don't fill the cups to the brim to prevent it from spilling over when it rises in the oven. Put it in a preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes. And our cupcakes are ready. Now you can stop at this point, but if you love frostings like I do, this frosting recipe perfectly complements the cupcake. Add softened peanut butter to a bowl, cocoa powder, vanilla flavor, honey, and your salt, and then mix it all together. Pipe that to the top of your cupcake in a crisscross pattern. Why, I do not know, it just looks prettier like that. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.